is of the essence. Whether you're working on a project, browsing the web, or managing your daily tasks, efficiency is key. One powerful tool that can significantly boost your productivity is keyboard shortcuts. In this article, we'll explore 20 essential keyboard shortcuts that every tech user should know to navigate their devices and applications with ease. Basic navigation. Shortcuts, keyboard. Shortcuts like Ctrl plus C, copy, Ctrl plus V, paste, Ctrl plus Z, undo, and Ctrl plus F, find, are the bread and butter of text editing and document navigation. Memorizing these shortcuts will save you valuable time when working on documents or browsing the web. Window management shortcuts. Effortlessly manage multiple windows with shortcuts like Alt plus Tab, switch between open windows, and Windows key plus D, minimize or restore all windows. These shortcuts are invaluable for multitasking and keeping your workspace organized. Browser shortcuts. Take your web browsing experience to the next level with shortcuts like Ctrl plus T, open new tab, Ctrl plus Shift, plus T, reopen last closed tab, and Ctrl plus W, close current tab. These shortcuts streamline your browsing experience and help you navigate the web more efficiently. File Explorer. Shortcuts. Navigate. File Explorer like a pro with shortcuts, like Ctrl plus N, open new window, Ctrl plus Shift, Tren, create new folder, and Ctrl plus E, activate search bar. These shortcuts make file management tasks a breeze, allowing you to find and organize your files with ease. Task Manager. Shortcuts. Keep your system running smoothly with shortcuts like Ctrl plus, Shift, plus, ISK, open Task Manager directly, and Ctrl plus, Alt, plus, Delete, access Task Manager from lock screen. These shortcuts are essential for troubleshooting issues and managing system processes effectively. Word processing shortcuts. Format text and documents quickly and easily, with shortcuts like Ctrl plus B, bold, Ctrl plus I, italic, and Ctrl plus U, underline. These shortcuts are indispensable for word processing tasks and make formatting text a breeze. Screenshot shortcuts. Capture screenshots effortlessly with shortcuts like PERT SCN, capture entire screen, and Alt PERT capture active window. These shortcuts are perfect for capturing and sharing content from your screen quickly and easily. Zoom shortcuts. Zoom in and out of documents or web pages with ease using shortcuts like Ctrl plus plus, plus, and Ctrl plus minus, caron. These shortcuts are ideal for improving readability and navigating content with precision. Media player shortcuts. Control media playback seamlessly with shortcuts like spacebar, play pause, Control plus, right arrow, skip forward, and Control plus, left arrow, skip backward. These shortcuts make it easy to enjoy your favorite music and videos without ever reaching for your mouse. Email shortcuts. Manage your email inbox like a pro with shortcuts like Control plus Enter, send email, Control plus R, reply to email, and Control plus Shift plus U, mark email as unread. These shortcuts streamline your email workflow and help you stay organized. Screen navigation. Shortcuts. Navigate screens and applications with ease using shortcuts like Alt plus, left arrow, go back, Alt plus, right arrow, go forward, and Control plus home, scroll to top. These shortcuts make it easy to navigate within applications and websites without ever lifting a finger from the keyboard. Text editing. Shortcuts. Edit. Text quickly and efficiently with shortcuts like Control plus arrow keys, move cursor word by word, Control plus, backspace, delete word, and Shift plus arrow keys, select text. These shortcuts are essential for editing documents and emails with precision. Application. Shortcuts. Access and navigate applications effortlessly with shortcuts like Windows key plus, number, open corresponding taskbar item, and Alt plus F4, close active application. These shortcuts make it easy to switch between applications and close windows quickly. Taskbar shortcuts. Navigate the taskbar like a pro with shortcuts like Windows key plus T, cycle through taskbar items. Windows key plus, number, open corresponding pinned taskbar item, and Windows key plus B, focus on notification area. These shortcuts make it easy to access and manage your favorite applications and tools. Presentation shortcuts. Deliver polished presentations with shortcuts like F5, start slideshow from beginning, B, black screen, and W, white screen. These shortcuts make it easy to navigate your slideshows and captivate your audience with professional presentations. Calculator shortcuts. Perform calculations quickly and easily with shortcuts like Control plus E, activate scientific calculator, Control plus H, show history, and Control plus Shift plus M, toggle between standard and scientific mode. These shortcuts are perfect for students, professionals, and anyone who needs to perform calculations on the fly. Social media shortcuts. Browse social media platforms like a pro with shortcuts like Control plus Enter, send tweet post, Control plus Shift plus N, open new incognito window, and Control plus D, bookmark page. These shortcuts make it easy to stay connected and engaged on your favorite social media platforms. Task management. Shortcuts. Stay organized and productive with shortcuts like Control plus, Shift plus N, create new task, Control plus, Shift plus D, delete task, and Control plus, Shift plus E, edit task. These shortcuts are perfect for managing tasks and projects in task management tools. Terminal shortcuts. Navigate the terminal like a pro with shortcuts like Control plus C, terminate current process, Control plus D, log out of current session, and Control plus L, clear terminal screen. These shortcuts make it easy to navigate and control your terminal sessions efficiently. Custom shortcuts. Unlock the full potential of your keyboard by creating custom shortcuts according to your preferences and workflow. Whether you're using built-in features or third-party tools, custom shortcuts are a powerful way to streamline your workflow and boost your productivity. Conclusion. Keyboard shortcuts are a game changer for tech users, allowing you to navigate your devices and applications with speed and precision. By mastering these 20 essential shortcuts, you can save time, streamline your workflow, and become a more efficient and productive user. So start practicing these shortcuts today and take your productivity to the next level.